sebum, zebum. How do you pronounce these words? Annyeong to the world! Hey! Hello everybody! Hey, it's your boy David, aka Davlorito. Hey. If you're new to my channel, hey, my name is David, and I'm a Filipino from Germany who studied in Korea. Woo! I'm dressed up like this because it's getting cold here. I want to say thank you to all of those who viewed and liked and shared and supported me during the GGVlogContest. If you have no clue what I'm talking about, here is a bit. I've been to 30 countries so far. 30! If you want to see the whole video that I submitted, click here. Ding! I did not win. I was one of the top 7. That was the last update that I got, but only top 4 were the main winners, and the main prize was to go to Korea for 10 days and they would pay for everything, and I did not win that, so that's fine. But I want something else. I want a $100 gift coupon. Wait, what's it called? $100 for their online shop. I ordered some products, alright? And it has arrived. It has arrived, everybody. I don't even know why I'm so hyped up right now. I was so tired just a while ago. I just ran up the stairs, one down and then up again. And now I feel so energized. I'm gonna do an unboxing, so don't expect anything too informative in this video. But let's get to it. 우와! 샘플 있어요. 고맙습니다. Let's see. Nature Republic Pony Mask. Yes sir. Love masks. Misha Glow Skindation. What is a skindation? I don't wear makeup. I have no clue. But thanks anyway. Skindation Glen.
You go, Glen Coco.
By Misha. And this one is also by Misha. Cool Ampule. I never know how to pronounce these things. Renew Ampule. Ampule? That's French, right? Ampule. So yes, I also get to do the super cool hand thingy.
They see me rolling.
나만 알고 싶은. Is that the name of the brand?
No.
Oh, this is also Misha. Never mind. And it seems to be sunscreen. This one is also by Misha. And this is against blackheads, of course. Not to give them to you. Those were the samples. And we're done.
So you agree?
Just kidding. Let me open. I ordered 4 masks, 4 of these. I never buy these expensive face masks because I don't see the point. You only use them once, and then like I'm thinking what? Anyway, this one is extra for men. Mediheal. It's how you pronounce it. I get confused with how I pronounce words. But yeah, anyway, just like look it. They're very nicely wrapped in these bubble things. You know what I'm gonna be doing afterwards. I bought 2 of these because I had to think of the weight of the package and the $100. So this is how it worked. You had to order your stuff. After you had your stuff ordered, it will check of how much it weighed, and if it exceeded a certain amount, you'll have to get it shipped to you with a bigger package, and that would cost you extra. So what I had to do was like I kept on like removing and putting new stuff online cart. I had to make sure that it would not exceed in weight nor in price. So that took a while. When it came here in Germany, I had to pay the, what's it called in English? Zoll. Was ist Zoll? The customs. Around 18 euros. So I paid for all of this 18 euros. So this one is by AHC. And this is the ultimate real eye cream for face. Eye cream for face. Please focus on the hand. So this is how it looks like, and then you press it, get a little dot, and then you put it underneath the eye bags, or on the eye bags, because like my eye bags are the worst. So funny that I'm doing this video right now. For those who are not familiar with me, I enjoy facial care, skincare. Like, I don't do makeup, but I just like taking care of my skin. And since many people ask me in person, what do I do to my skin? Well, it looks so good. I sometimes agree, I sometimes don't. I really like to take care of my skin, so I like testing out skin products. So to all the brands out there, if you want to sponsor me, you are very welcome to do so. Next product, Senite. Is that how you say it? Senite? Like I said, I'm a Filipino from Germany. So it says Senite. That's how I would say it in English. Senite, I think. Senite in German. Senite. I don't know. I'm just gonna go with Senite. Natural Active Toner. So this is a toner. And let us see how it looks like. I'm gonna give my review in the next in a future video, I hope, if I ever get to do this. So it's quite light, plastic, not too shabby, kind of nice. It's like the soft plastic. This is how it looks like. I feel like all of these packagings look similar. I'm gonna show all of the products at the end again. Bionim. Oh, I'm so sorry for if I butcher all of these names. I don't even know how they're called. But this one, it says A on it. That's the brand. And yeah, it's called A. It's Total Action One-Step Care for all skin types. Whitening. I don't like whitening stuff. Why do I have this? Dual function, whitening and anti-wrinkle, because I'm that old already. Special all-in-one containing freeze-dried 10 kinds of vitamins powder. Helps, improves, moisturizes, whitening and refresh for men's skin. A fine-textured, non-greasy essence for men's face and neck. Gives exceptional firming and soothing benefits. Helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. I actually like my smiling wrinkles. This is how it looks like. Earthy, more masculine, I suppose. I like the packaging or the bottle of Senite more. It's light. I mean, that's good. It's light, but it feels kind of cheap. It doesn't feel very sturdy. It feels a little bit flimsy. Next one, let's get some color in this, shall we? Of course, I always need aloe vera. It's one of my favorite products to use on my skin. So it's also by Nature Republic, and I usually use the ones in the jar, but this is a peel-off pack. So aloe vera, real squeeze, peel-off pack. Moisturizing mild peel-off pack containing California aloe vera extract. You have to do the hand again. Aigu. Aigu. 세상에. Focus. Okay, put it on your face as like a cream, and then you. Oh, that's gonna hurt! Next one. Modern Homme. Etude. This is by Etude, I think Etude House. Sorry guys, I'm really not an expert on these. This is like my first time trying these brands, simply because I had $100. Y'all know I'm cheap. No, I'm not cheap, but I like to save up my money so I can travel and stuff. So when I do go shopping, I tend to go for the cheaper brands, and these are kind of expensive the last time I checked. And I like this one already. It's kind of a it's like plastic, but it has a glass touch to it. I like how it looks like. So this is it. Multi-caring emulsion. So you need the toner and then the emulsion and then whatever comes next. I should do a skincare routine soon, I guess. Premium multi-caring emulsion takes care of various skin problems at once. With 5-in-1 functions consisting of moisturization. Is it called sebum? 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 Sebum. How do you pronounce these words? Sebum? Sebum? Sebum. Sebum care, reduction of wrinkle appearance, brightening, enhancement in appearance of elasticity. Okay then. Yep, that's the emulsion. I don't know why I'm speaking like this. Like I said, I got hyped up just by running up the stairs. Very earthy vibe, since it's called Eco energy. This is by The Sim. Oh, this one's nice. It's a mild all-in-one fluid. The mild care line containing herbal extract moisturizes men's dry skin. This feels nice. I think I like this. I mean, it still has the cheap feel down here. It looks nice, don't you think? Pretty, pretty, pretty. Looks nice. I don't know what it is. Like, they look nice, but the packaging feels so cheap. I mean, not that I'm complaining, but it feels cheap. It feels like I could squish this and it would break. I mean, it's good because I had these shipped, so nothing like out of glass helps it to be lighter. I don't even know why I got this, just in case. Like, I was watching one too many makeup tutorials. Fun fact, I don't even do makeup on myself or on anybody. I'm an artistic person and I took arts in, that's high school in English. But yeah, before I entered university, and my major was arts. And when I see these makeup artists or people just who do makeup in general, when I watch them, I am so amazed at how good they are at painting or drawing, if you want to call, how you want to call it, on their face. And like, for me, that's art. I like listening to people in general, so people who do their makeup and are good at talking, I like to listen to them even though I don't really know or care about the makeup itself, just more on the talking part and then the end result. So anyway, I got this. It's a drawing eyebrow slim brown, because my sisters told me if you're gonna do your eyebrows, get brown, don't get black. Even though my hair, the hair of my eyebrows is black, I should do it with brown to give it a natural feel. So always a good thing to ask your sisters. There you go. So yeah, it's like this. Last one, guys. Almost through. Here's a fun story. I got this one because I actually ordered a hair pomade. Is it called pomade? That Jackson by Got7 was promoting. When it was time to ship me my stuff, they said it was out of stock. So I should choose something else. So I chose something else that was a teensy tiny more expensive, but it was fine by them because it was not my fault, okay? It was out of stock. And I got this. I feel like an old lady.
I'm old! I beg your pardon? Oh, I'm like the Crypt Keeper!
It's by, how do you pronounce this? Jean Blanc. It's a Power Lift eye cream. Snail mucus. I know, it sounds really bad, but apparently snail mucus is good for your skin, good for your eyes, like here, for dry eyes here, especially for people who don't like to sleep like myself. I've been using this snail serum thingy about a year now, and I really like it for my face. Extravaganza. So see, this is something like I would feel like I would see at an Ajuma's makeup, what's it called? Vanity. Is it called Vanity? It's very fancy, but like, again, these plastic behälter feel very cheap, except for this part. This is glass. It's cold. Oh, okay. Smells nice. So yeah, that was the last one. Here again, a last view on all the products that I got. If you're interested, I'm gonna test these, I'm going to use them, and I'm gonna give you my review. And if I think they are worth to be bought, I will make a new video just with the ones that I like, and I will link them in that video for you guys, or try them out yourselves. I don't want to put the link down now because I might not like these, and then you're gonna buy them and then you're like, David, this is not a good product. So I don't want to recommend anything that I haven't really tried. I just wanted to share these products with you since it was my prize or my win for the vlog contest that I joined, and I just want to thank you all for supporting me. Also, Please let me know in the comments down below if you like skincare routines and like product reviews, because I have been doing some here and there because many people ask me about my skin, but I don't know if you actually want to see them. I know not all of my viewers will, but to those who are watching and are subscribed to my channel, if you want like these kinds of videos, please let me know in the comments down below. I mean, actually comment. Don't just like nod right now while you're watching. Let me know. And yes, so if you like this video or if you like me in general or my channel, just give this video a like to support and subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I hope I'll see you guys in the next one. So other than that, I wish you all a good morning, good afternoon, a good evening, wherever you may be. See you soon. Adios. Kumai.